card, which we were playing, we can be like that. And that's a good example. So I can sweep the guy that way. I can sweep the guy that way. Let me show. See, I'm holding the two solid ways here. This is a good one too, but I think this is solid, more solid. So I want you guys to do this for now. So look, I'm gonna go here for a sweep, and then I will let him come back, and then I'm gonna do this. Okay, and then look, same position, but now I'm gonna twist this way a little bit. I'm gonna go like I'm gonna sweep the guy this way, and then I'm gonna go here again. My hand is inside now, but there's no problem. So this side. This is what I'm looking for. And then out here when you want, look, I turn, and then I dig my foot into his arm.